Does State Farm life insurance have a waiting period? Yes, State Farm life insurance policies may have a waiting period, depending on the type of policy and coverage terms. Most policies, including term and whole life, have a 2-year contestability period, and certain guaranteed issue policies may have additional waiting periods. First, 2-year contestability period. All State Farm life insurance policies include a 2-year contestability period. During this time, the company can review and deny claims if material misrepresentation is found in the application, such as undisclosed medical conditions or risky behaviors. Second suicide clause, waiting period. State Farm has a 2-year suicide exclusion clause. If the insured dies by suicide within the first 2 years of the policy, beneficiaries typically receive only a refund of premiums paid rather than the full death benefit. After 2 years, suicide is covered like any other cause of death. Third waiting period for guaranteed issue life insurance. If the policy is a guaranteed issue life insurance plan, such as final expense insurance, there may be a graded benefit period of 2 to 3 years. If the insured passes away during this period, beneficiaries may only receive a partial payout or return of premiums, rather than the full death benefit. 4. No waiting period for most policies. State Farm's traditional term life and whole life insurance policies do not have a general waiting period beyond the contestability and suicide clauses. If the insured dies from natural causes or an accident after the policy is active, the full death benefit is paid. 5. Accidental death coverage starts immediately. If the insured dies in an accidental death, the policy pays out immediately, even if it happens within the first 2 years. This applies to traditional life insurance as well as accidental death benefit riders. 6. How to avoid delays in payout. To ensure timely payouts, applicants should provide accurate health information during the application process and pay premiums on time to keep the policy active. Beneficiaries should also submit claims promptly with all required documentation. State Farm life insurance policies generally do not have a standard waiting period for coverage, but the 2-year contestability period and suicide clause apply. For guaranteed issue policies, additional waiting periods may limit early payouts. Would you like to see how much you can save by switching to State Farm life insurance today? Click on the link in the description below.